KCTV5 is your school authority, and tonight the Shawnee Mission School District held a special board meeting to figure out if they should continue holding in-person class.
Yeah, it's a debate with strong feelings on both sides. KCTV5's Betsy Webster has spent her night inside district headquarters listening to all the presentations from local health experts tonight. Betsy?
Well, Brad, outside right now where I'm standing behind me, you can see that there are still signs in the ground from a protest earlier tonight urging the district to go fully remote. The board heard multiple presentations and they are still discussing what to do. That is 4 hours after this meeting began.
We don't want you to play politics with our lives and the lives of the students in the Shawnee Mission School District.
About 40 teachers and parents stood outside the building where the school board met with health officials tonight, using a grim reaper to warn of what could come.
I adore my students and I love to see them. But as I say on this sign, I would take a bullet for your kids. But I shouldn't have to be put into a preventable situation when I can teach them, absolutely teach them as has been proven, remotely.
She placed one flag in the ground for students currently in isolation or quarantine, 698 in all. Tea lights for staff in the same spot, 127 of them. Why, they asked, if the county numbers put the district in the red zone, aren't they going remote as the gating criteria says to? One mom says she chose hybrid based on the rules on gating criteria she saw in writing.
We made an agreement. So if they're going to change their agreement, I want to be able to change my agreement and put my student 100% online.
Inside the meeting, Johnson County Department of Health and Environment's Director of Epidemiology addressed that.
While we are seeing cases in your staff, in the kids, in your schools, they do not appear to be contracting it in the school building. And I think that's what's really important.
But what became clear was that staffing could be the decider, the nail in the coffin, so to speak, with substitute teachers also dwindling due to the virus. The interim superintendent for human resources went through some of those staffing numbers. He said that the substitute fill rate is not acceptable. Those were his words. He said it is the worst he's seen in his 5 years here and that everyone seems to be trying, but, well, it's almost impossible. At least that's the phrase that the board president used when she said, "I'm afraid we may be asking people to do the almost impossible during a time when they're already dealing with other stressors related to the pandemic." Again, that meeting is still going. As soon as we find out what they've decided, we'll put that on our website and app. Reporting live in Overland Park, Kansas, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
Yeah, this isn't easy for anyone. Betsy, thank you.